In this video we're going to take a look at the Irish verb Imir, which is to play, Imir. So the past tense is Imrím I, that's I played, Imrím I. And because Imir starts with a vowel, it takes a D apostrophe in the past tense, Imrím I. Imrím is the present tense, I play, Imrím. And Imrím I is the future tense, I will play, Imrím I. And you'll notice there that there's a different ending on the end of Imir in the future tense, the EOIDH there, as you can see. Because it's a two-syllable word, as in Imir, two syllables, it has a different ending to the one-syllable verbs. One-syllable verbs would have an ending like FIDH or FAIDH, but because Imir is a two-syllable word, it has the EOIDH ending. So there's two important grammar distinctions about this verb here. The apostrophe in the past tense because it begins with a vowel, and the ending in the future tense is different because it's two syllables. The verbal noun is ag imirt, so that's playing. Tá sé ag imirt, he is playing. Tá sé ag imirt lena chairde, he is playing with his friends. Tá sé ag imirt lena chairde. Let's look at some sample sentences now where you can use this very useful verb, Imir, to play. Imrím le chéile, we played together. Imrím le chéile. Our next sentence. If they play like that again, everything will be okay anyway. Má Imrím siad ar an malach céine a ríis be gach rud ceart go leor peiscéile. That means if they play like that again, or if they play in the same way again, everything will be okay anyway. Má Imrím siad ar an malach chéine a ríis be gach rud ceart go leor peiscéile. Our next sample sentence then. Ní imróig mé pell níos mó. I will not play football anymore. Ní imróig mé pell níos mó. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and don't forget to let me know some of your own sample sentences to do with sport and using the verb Imir in the comments section below. That's it for now. I'll be back very soon. Slán go fóill.